Hello guys, welcome to my channel WebGR of Talent. So in today's video we are going to look at a very interesting questions in physics subject. So it's a general question but it is totally mind-blowing and interesting too. So let's look at the question now. And here we have the question. A bear fell from a height of 10 meters. It reached the ground in root 2 seconds, but somehow it didn't get any hurt. What is the color of the bear? So when I read this question for the first time, I was totally mad. What is the relation between the color and the bear jumping from there? It's totally irrelevant. Even you might find it irrelevant now. But it's totally confusing. So, without watching the full video, I want you to try to answer this question. Where? In the comment section below. I want you to be genuine. I hope that you guys are genuine. But please try to answer the question before I solve it. So, let's solve the question now. So then here we have that it fell from a height. So let's imagine that this is somewhat a hill and the bear is standing here. So imagine this as the bear. Okay, it's not exactly like a bear, but just imagine it. So this is the bear. And here we have been given the height of this mountain or hill that we have. It's 10 meters, right? It is 10 meters, and we have also been given the time here, and the time it took to jump means to reach the ground is root 2 seconds, right? And do we have any other information from this? Nothing. So that is the information that we have. So then, so it would of course be in rest at the beginning. So let's write u. The initial velocity would be nothing but 0 meter per second. Do you agree with me? Okay, then here we have also known the time that it took. So let's write the time also. T is equal to root 2 seconds. So this is what the information that is given to us from the question. So in this question, we don't care what is velocity. There is nothing related to velocity here. We should find nothing but the acceleration. So at what acceleration did the bear fall down and reach the ground in root 2 seconds? And once again, it was 10 meters. The height of that hill or some stuff was nothing but 10 meters. So we should find the acceleration to get the answer here. I hope that you all guys remember the second equation of motion. Did you remember? Most of you might have remembered. It is nothing but S is equal to ut plus half at square. Right? Here S would be the distance. Okay? And u is nothing but the initial velocity. T, as you know, is time. Half. What is half? Oh, I forgot. Oh, it's sorry, it's fraction. Just kidding. Then A is acceleration that we have, and T is again time. Here we have T square. So time square should be done. So this equation can be used here. Yeah. Is it right? Yeah. So let's see how can we use this equation perfectly. Now you might be getting an idea by looking at this equation how to solve it. So try to solve it if you hadn't got the answer before. Now also by seeing this equation also, if you are not getting an idea about it, so let's solve it together. Come on. So in this question we have u is equal to 0. So here s is equal to ut will be nothing but 0 because u is 0, and if you multiply it with time it will be nothing but 0 because anything into 0 is nothing but 0. So ut is equal to 0. Then s will be half at square. As simple as it, right? So then if we change the sides, a will be nothing but 2s, right, by t square. So then here a would be 2 into what is s here? It is 10 meters. So it would be 2 into 10 meters by t square. So what is t here? It's root 2 seconds. So root 2 whole square. Then a would be here. Of course, you know that 2 and root gets cancelled. So it would be 2 into 10 meters by 2. So here 2 gets cancelled and we finally remain with a is nothing but 10 meters per second. So we got the acceleration as 10 meter per second. Okay. So now I want to ask everyone one thing. So when an object is directly falling from some part or some stuff or some more height towards the earth, imagine this is earth and it is falling towards the earth. And what would be the acceleration of it? It would be acceleration would be nothing but gravity. So the acceleration would be due to gravity. It is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. You agree with it? We have already learned in the previous classes about this. So now from this question we get to know that A, which is 10 meter per second square, would be nothing but G, 10 meter per second square. So the 10 meter per second square that we got here is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Now I would like to ask you one more thing. See, usually what do you take the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity? In many problems and in real life also, we take it as 9.8 meter per second square. Yeah, well, solving many problems also we take it as 9.8. But here if you see, g is 10 meter per second square. So, do you know what is the highest gravitational force that we have on Earth? It's nothing but 10 meter per second square. So, it's the highest that we have on Earth. So, where do we find that highest gravity? We find it in which place on Earth? We find it in the poles. So, not the poles, street lights. So if you imagine this is the earth, so this part is the north pole and this part is the south pole. So if you see it from center, this is north pole. So here it has the highest gravity, that is 10 meter per second square. So the bear would be living in this area in some pole, in north pole or south pole, because it has an acceleration due to gravity of 10 meter per second square. So which bears do you find in the north or south poles? Yes, it is nothing but the polar bear. So here you observe the picture of polar bear. What is the color of this bear? It's white. So all the polar bears, with my knowledge, are in white color. So the answer for this question is white. So in this question they asked us, a bear fell from a height of 10 meters. It reached the ground in root 2 seconds. It somehow didn't get any hurt. What is the color of the bear? The color of the bear is nothing but white. Yeah, it was a very interesting question, right? Do you feel it is interesting? I hope so. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. After subscribing my channel, please don't forget to hit the bell icon to with jar of talents. And thank you very much to all the viewers for watching my video. See you later. Have a great day.